So if you've got tool craziness going on in your shed or basement or garage, this is a great solution. This is the Crawford 36-inch long-handled tool hanger. Found this on Amazon, and it was pretty simple to install. So you can see much more organized than it was, and really pretty simple to install. Just a couple of screws. My studs here aren't 16 inches on center, so I had to drill a hole for an extra screw. But that was pretty easy because it's made out of aluminum, so it was really easy to drill a hole in there. And the other thing that I did wrong is I attached these upside down. So the little metal part has to be on the top half of the big black plastic thing. Otherwise, if it's on the bottom half, it just hangs down and you can't figure out how to install the tools. But otherwise, I've got some shovels and rakes and, nothing too huge on this. I did try to put my post hole digger on there, and it was a little bit questionable in terms of how much it was pulling on the aluminum back here. So you can see there's a little bit of give. So I wouldn't hang anything too big on this, but otherwise 5 minutes, screwed into the wall, good to go, organized tool shed.